The next train to arrive at platform 2 will be the 0941 Transport for Wales service to Milford Haven, calling at Cardiff Central, Bridgend, Port Talbot Parkway, Neath, Swansea, Gowerton, Llanelli, Pembrey and Barry Port, Carmarthen, Whitland, Clunderwen, Clarbeston Road, Haverford West, Johnston and Milford Haven. Platform 2 for the 0941 Transport for Wales service to Milford Haven. When boarding the train, please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge. Clunderwen, Clarbeston Road and Johnston are request stops, and passengers for these stations should ask the conductor on the train to arrange for the train to stop to allow them to alight.
Y tren nesaf I gyrraedd platform 2 fydd y gwasanaeth 19 munud I 10 o'r gloch Trafnidiaeth Cymru I Aberdaugleddau yn galw Gaerdydd Canolog, Pen y Bont ar Ogwyr, Port Talbot Parkway, Castell Nedd, Abertawe, Tregewi, Llanelli, Pembrey a Fort Tywyn, Caerfyrddin, Hendy Gwyn ar Daf, Clunderwen, Clarbeston Road, Hwlffordd, Johnston ac Aberdaugleddau. Platform 2 am y gwasanaeth 19 munud I 10 o'r gloch Trafnidiaeth Cymru I Aberdaugleddau.
Pan yn ymuno â'r tren, byddwch yn ofalus o'r gap rhwng y tren a ymyl y platfform, os gwelwch yn dda.
Mae Clunderwen, Clarbeston Road a Johnston yn orsafoedd aros ar gais, a dylai teithwyr y gorsafoedd hyn ofyn i'r tocynnwr ar y tren I drefnu'r gwasanaeth I aros i'w galluogi I ddod oddi ar y tren.
The next train to depart from platform 4 will be the 1040 Transport for Wales service to Cardiff Central, calling at Cardiff Central only. Platform 4 for the 1040 Transport for Wales service to Cardiff Central. When boarding the train, please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.
Y tren nesaf I adael platform 4 fydd y gwasanaeth 20 munud I 11 Trafnidiaeth Cymru I Gaerdydd Canolog yn galw Gaerdydd Canolog yn unig. Platform 4 am y gwasanaeth 20 munud I 11 Trafnidiaeth Cymru I Gaerdydd Canolog.
Pan yn ymuno â'r tren, byddwch yn ofalus o'r gap rhwng y tren a ymyl y platfform, os gwelwch yn dda.
Your attention please. We are sorry that the 1040 service to London Paddington is delayed by approximately 6 minutes. This is due to a problem currently under investigation. Great Western Railway apologises for this late running and the inconvenience this may cause you.
Eich sylw os gwelwch yn dda. Mae'n ddrwg gennym fod gwasanaeth 20 munud I 11 I London Paddington wedi oedi o 86 munud. Mae hyn o ganlyniad I Mae Great Western Railway I ymddiheuro am yr oedi hwn ac am unrhyw anghyfleustr a phosib I chi.
The next train to arrive at platform 4 will be the 1304 Transport for Wales service to Manchester Piccadilly, calling at Hereford, Shrewsbury, Whitchurch, Nantwich, Crewe, Wilmslow, Stockport and Manchester Piccadilly. Platform 4 for the 1304 Transport for Wales service to Manchester Piccadilly. When boarding the train, please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge. This train will not be calling at Cwmbrân, Abergavenny, Leominster, Ludlow, Craven Arms and Whitchurch Stretton today.
Y tren nesaf I gyrraedd platform 4 fydd y gwasanaeth 4 munud wedi 1 o'r gloch Trafnidiaeth Cymru I Manceinion Piccadilly. Yn galw yn Hereford a Mwythig, yr Eglwys Wen, Nantwich, Crewe, Wilmslow, Stockport a Manceinion Piccadilly. Platform 4 am y gwasanaeth 4 munud wedi 1 o'r gloch Trafnidiaeth Cymru I Manceinion Piccadilly.
Pan yn ymuno â'r tren, byddwch yn ofalus o'r gap rhwng y tren a ymyl y platfform, os gwelwch yn dda.
Ni bydd y tren hwn yn galw Cwmbrân, Abergavenny, Leominster, Ludlow, Craven Arms a Church Stretton heddiw.
Your attention please. We are sorry that the 1332 service to Swansea is delayed. This is due to signalling problems. Please listen for further announcements. Great Western Railway apologises for the inconvenience this may cause you.
Eich sylw os gwelwch yn dda. Mae'n ddrwg gennym fod gwasanaeth 28 munud i 2 o'r gloch i Abertawe wedi oedi. Mae hyn o ganlyniad i broblemau signalau. Gwrandewch am fwy o gyhoeddiadau os gwelwch yn dda. Mae Great Western Railway yn ymddiheuro am unrhyw anghyfleustra a chosir i chi.
All of our trains and stations are no smoking areas. Please do not smoke until you have left the station premises.
Mae'n trenau angorsafoedd i gyd yn ardaloedd dim ysmygu. Peidiwch â ysmygu tan i chi adael yr orsaf os gwelwch yn dda.
The next train to arrive at platform 3 will be the 1354 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington, calling at Swindon, Didcot Parkway, Reading and London Paddington. Platform 3 for the 1354 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. When boarding the train, please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.
Y tren nesaf i gyrraedd platform 3 fydd y wasanaeth 6 munud i 2 o'r gloch
Great Western Railway
i London Paddington. Yn galw yn Swindon, Didcot Parkway, Reading a Llundain Paddington. Platform 3 am y gwasanaeth 6 munud i 2 o'r gloch
Great Western Railway
i London Paddington.
Pan yn ymuno â'r tren, byddwch yn ofalus o'r gap rhwng y tren a ymyl y platform os gwelwch yn dda.
The train now approaching platform 2 is the 1412 cross-country service to Cardiff Central, calling at Cardiff Central only. Platform 2 for the 1412 cross-country service to Cardiff Central.
Y tren sy'n nesau at platform 2 yw gwasanaeth 12 munud wedi 2 o'r gloch cross-country i Gaerdydd Canolog. Yn galw am Gaerdydd Canolog yn unig. Platform 2 am y gwasanaeth 12 munud wedi 2 o'r gloch cross-country i Gaerdydd Canolog.
The next train to arrive at platform 4 will be the 1415 Great Western Railway service to Taunton, calling at 7 Tunnel Junction, Patchway, Felton Abbey Wood, Bristol Temple Meads, Nailsea and Backwell, Yatton, Whirl, Weston-super-Mare, Highbridge and Burnham, Bridgewater and Taunton. Platform 4 for the 1415 Great Western Railway service to Taunton. When boarding the train, please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.
Y tren nesaf i gyrraedd platform 4 fydd y wasanaeth 4 wedi 2 o'r gloch Great Western Railway i Taunton. Yn galw yn cyffordd Twnnel Hafren, Patchway, Felton Abbey Wood, Bristol Temple Meads, Nailsea and Blackwell, Yatton, Whirl, Weston-super-Mare, Highbridge and Burnham, Bridgewater a Taunton. Platform 4 am y gwasanaeth 4 wedi 2 o'r gloch Great Western Railway i Taunton.
Pan yn ymuno â'r tren, byddwch yn ofalus o'r gap rhwng y tren a ymyl y platform os gwelwch yn dda.
The next train to arrive at platform 3 will be the 1419 Transport for Wales service to Manchester Piccadilly, calling at Cwmbrân, Abergavenny, Hereford, Leominster, Ludlow, Shrewsbury, Crewe, Wilmslow, Stockport and Manchester Piccadilly. Platform 3 for the 1419 Transport for Wales service to Manchester Piccadilly. When boarding the train, please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.
Y tren nesaf i gyrraedd platform 3 fydd y wasanaeth 19 munud wedi 2 o'r gloch Trafnidiaeth Cymru i Manceinion Piccadilly. Yn galw am Cwmbrân, Abergavenny, Hereford, Leominster, Llwyddio, Amwythig, Crewe, Wilmslow, Stockport a Manceinion Piccadilly. Platform 3 am y gwasanaeth 19 munud wedi 2 o'r gloch Trafnidiaeth Cymru i Manceinion Piccadilly.
Pan yn ymuno â'r tren, byddwch yn ofalus o'r gap rhwng y tren a ymyl y platform os gwelwch yn dda.
Your attention please on platform 4. We are sorry that the 1444 Great Western Railway service to Portsmouth Harbour has been cancelled. This is due to a person being hit by a train earlier today. Great Western Railway apologises for the inconvenience this may cause you. Your attention please. We are sorry that the 15:04 service to Cardiff Central is delayed by approximately 9 minutes. Cross Country apologises for this late running and the inconvenience this may cause you.
Eich sylw os gwelwch yn dda. Mae'n ddrwg gennyf fod gwasanaeth 4 munud wedi 3 o'r gloch I Gaerdydd Canolog wedi oedi o 89 munud. Mae Cross Country yn ymddiheuro am yr oedi hwn ac am unrhyw anghyfleistra a achosydd I chi.
The next train to arrive at platform 2 will be the 15:04 Cross Country service to Cardiff Central, calling at Cardiff Central only. First class accommodation is available on the train. Platform 2 for the 15:04 Cross Country service to Cardiff Central. When boarding the train, please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.
Y tren nesaf I gyrraedd platform 2 fydd y gwasanaeth 4 munud wedi 3 o'r gloch Cross Country I Gaerdydd Canolog yn galw am Gaerdydd Canolog yn unig. Mae llety dosbarth cyntaf ar gael ar y tren hwn. Platform 2 am y gwasanaeth 4 munud wedi 3 o'r gloch Cross Country I Gaerdydd Canolog. Pan yn ymuno â'r tren, byddwch yn ofalus o'r gap rhwng y tren a ymyl y platform, os gwelwch yn dda.
This platform slopes towards the track. For safety, if you have a pram or wheelchair, make sure you apply its brake when stationary. Mae'r platform yma ar lethr tuag at y trac. Mwyn diogelwch, os oes gennych bram neu gadair olwyn, sicrhewch eich bod chi'n defnyddio'r brêc pan yn llonydd.
Your attention please on platform 1. We are sorry that the 15:32 Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central has been cancelled. This is due to an earlier landslip. Great Western Railway apologises for the inconvenience this may cause you.
Eich sylw os gwelwch yn dda ar 1. Mae'n ddrwg gennyf fod y gwasanaeth 28 munud I 4 o'r gloch Great Western Railway I Gaerdydd Canolog wedi ei ddileu. Mae hyn o ganlyniad I mae Great Western Railway yn ymddiheuro am unrhyw anghyfleistra a achosydd I chi.
The train now approaching platform 2 is the 15:26 Great Western Railway service to Wilmslow, calling at 7 Tunnel Junction, Patchway, Filton Abbey Wood, Bristol Temple Meads, Bar Spa, Freshford, Avon-Cliff, Bradford-on-Avon, Trowbridge, Westbury, Dilton Marsh and Wilmslow. Platform 2 for the 15:26 Great Western Railway service to Wilmslow. Dilton Marsh is a request stop and passengers for this station should ask the conductor on the train to arrange for the train to stop to allow them to alight.
Y tren sy'n nesau at platform 2 yw gwasanaeth 26 munud wedi 3 o'r gloch Great Western Railway I Wilmslow. Yn galw yn cyffordd twnnel Hafren, Patchway, Filton Abbey Wood, Bristol Temple Meads, Hereford, Freshford, Avon-Cliff, Bradford-on-Avon, Trowbridge, Westbury, Dilton Marsh a Wilmslow. Platform 2 am y gwasanaeth 26 munud wedi 3 o'r gloch Great Western Railway I Wilmslow. Mae Dilton Marsh yn orsaf aros ar gais, a dylai teithwyr yr orsaf hwn ofyn i'r tocynnwr ar y tren I drefnu'r gwasanaeth I aros i'w galluogi I ddod oddi ar y tren.
The next train to arrive at platform 1 will be the 15:37 Transport for Wales service to Fishguard Harbour, calling at Cardiff Central, Bridgend, Pyle, Port Talbot Parkway, Neath, Swansea, Gowerton, Llanelli, Pembrey and Bury Port, Kidwelly, Ferryside, Carmarthen, Whitland, Clunderwen, Clarbeston Road, Fishguard and Goodwick, and Fishguard Harbour. Platform 1 for the 15:37 Transport for Wales service to Fishguard Harbour. When boarding the train, please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge. Kidwelly, Ferryside, Clunderwen and Clarbeston Road are request stops and passengers for these stations should ask the conductor on the train to arrange for the train to stop to allow them to alight.
Y tren nesaf I gyrraedd platform 1 fydd y gwasanaeth 23 munud I 4 o'r gloch Trafnidiaeth Cymru I Harbwr Abergavenny.
yn galw am Gaerdydd Canolog, Pen-y-bont-ar-Ogwen, y Peel, Talbot Parkway, Castell Nedd, Abertawe, Tregwyr, Llanelli, Penfre a Fort Tywyn, Cydweli, Glan y Ferry, Caerfyrddin, Hendi Gwynedd Da, Clunderwen, Clarbeston Road, Abergwaun a Hwdig a Harbwr Abergwaun. Platfform 1 am y gwasanaeth 23 munud i 4 o'r gloch Trafnidiaeth Cymru i Harbwr Abergwaun. Pan yn ymuno â'r tren, byddwch yn ofalus o'r gap rhwng y tren a ymyl y platfform os gwelwch yn dda. Mae Hydweli, Glan y Ferry, Clunderwen a Clarbeston Road yn orsafoedd aros ar gais, a dylai teithwyr y gorsafoedd hyn ofyn i'r tocynnwr ar y tren i drefnu'r gwasanaeth i aros a galluogi i ddod oddi ar y tren.
Your attention please. We are sorry that the 15:31 service to Swansea is delayed by approximately 6 minutes. Great Western Railway apologises for this late running and the inconvenience this may cause you.
Eich sylw os gwelwch yn dda. Mae'n drwg gennym o gwasanaeth 29 munud i 4 o'r gloch i Abertawe wedi oedi o 86 munud. Mae Great Western Railway yn ymddiheuro am yr oedi hwn ac am unrhyw anghyfleistra a achosir i chi.
Your attention please on platform 2. This is a platform alteration. The next train to arrive at platform 1 is the 15:31 Great Western Railway service to Swansea, calling at Cardiff Central, Bridgend, Port Talbot Parkway, Neath and Swansea. First class accommodation is at the rear of the train. Platform 1 for the 15:31 service to Swansea.
Eich sylw os gwelwch yn dda ar platfform 2. Dyma newid platfform. Y tren nesaf i gyrraedd platfform 1 yw gwasanaeth 29 munud i 4 o'r gloch Great Western Railway i Abertawe, yn galw am Gaerdydd Canolog, Pen-y-bont-ar-Ogwen, Talbot Parkway, Castell Nedd ac Abertawe. Mae adran dosbarth cyntaf ar gael yng nghefn y tren. Platfform 1 am y gwasanaeth 29 munud i 4 o'r gloch i Abertawe.
Due to essential engineering work, many trains are revised for the coming weekend, and passengers are advised to check the revised times of their trains before travelling.
Oherwydd gwaith peirianyddol angenrheidiol, mae nifer o drenau wedi hadolygu ar gyfer y penwythnos hon, a chynghorir teithwyr i sicrhau amserau trenau cyn teithio.
All of our trains and stations are no smoking areas. Please do not smoke until you have left the station premises.
Mae'n trenau angorsafoedd i gyd yn ardaloedd dim ysmygu. Peidiwch â ysmygu tan i chi adael yr orsaf os gwelwch yn dda.
The next train to depart from platform 3 will be the 16:05 cross-country service to Nottingham, calling at Gloucester, Cheltenham Spa, University, Birmingham New Street, Tamworth, Burton-on-Trent, Derby and Nottingham. Platform 3 for the 16:05 cross-country service to Nottingham. When boarding the train, please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.
Y tren nesaf i adael platfform 3 fydd y gwasanaeth 5 munud wedi 4 o'r gloch cross-country i Nottingham, yn galw am Caerloyw, Cheltenham Spa, University, Birmingham New Street, Tamworth, Burton-on-Trent, Derby a Nottingham. Platfform 3 am y gwasanaeth 5 munud wedi 4 o'r gloch cross-country i Nottingham.
Pan yn ymuno â'r tren, byddwch yn ofalus o'r gap rhwng y tren a ymyl y platfform os gwelwch yn dda.
The next train to arrive at platform 2 will be the 16:53 Great Western Railway service to Westbury, calling at Filton Abbey Wood, Bristol Temple Meads, Keynsham, Oldfield Park, Bath Spa, Bradford-on-Avon, Trowbridge and Westbury. Platform 2 for the 16:53 Great Western Railway service to Westbury. When boarding the train, please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.
Y tren nesaf i gyrraedd platfform 2 fydd y gwasanaeth 7 munud i 5 o'r gloch Great Western Railway i Westbury, yn galw yn Filton Abbey Wood, Bristol Temple Meads, Keynsham, Oldfield Park, Caerfyrddin, Bradford-on-Avon, Trowbridge a Westbury.
Platform 2 am y gwasanaeth 7 munud i 5 o'r gloch Great Western Railway i Westbury. Pan yn ymuno â'r tren, byddwch yn ofalus o'r gap rhwng y tren a ymyl y platform. Ysgwelwch yn dda.
Your attention please. We are sorry that the 17:23 service to Swansea is delayed by approximately 15 minutes. This is due to a shortage of train crew. Great Western Railway apologises for this late running and the inconvenience this may cause you.
Eich sylw os gwelwch yn dda. Mae'n ddrwg gennym fod gwasanaeth 23 munud wedi 5 o'r gloch i Abertawe wedi oedi o ddeutu 15 munud. Mae hyn o ganlyniad i mae Great Western Railway yn ymddiheuro am yr oedi hwn ac am unrhyw anghyfleustra a achosir i chi.
Your attention please. We are sorry that the 17:31 service to Shrewsbury is delayed by approximately 22 minutes. This is due to a problem currently under investigation. Transport for Wales apologises for this late running and the inconvenience this may cause you.
Eich sylw os gwelwch yn dda. Mae'n ddrwg gennym fod gwasanaeth 29 munud i 6 o'r gloch i Amwythig wedi oedi o ddeutu 22 munud. Mae hyn o ganlyniad i mae Trafnidiaeth Cymru yn ymddiheuro am yr oedi hwn ac am unrhyw anghyfleustra a achosir i chi.
This platform slopes towards the track. For safety, if you have a pram or wheelchair, make sure you apply its brake when stationary. Mae'r platform yma ar lethr tuag at y trac. Mwyn diogelwch, os oes gennych bram neu gadair olwyn, sicrhewch eich bod chi'n defnyddio'r brec pan yn llonydd.
The train now approaching platform 4 is the 17:31 Transport for Wales service to Shrewsbury, calling at Cwmbrân, Pontypool and Newin, Abergavenny, Hereford and Shrewsbury. Platform 4 for the 17:31 Transport for Wales service to Shrewsbury. This train will not be calling at Wrexham General, Chester, Flint, Rhyl, Colwyn Bay, Llandudno Junction, Bangor and Holyhead today.
Y tren sy'n nesau at Platform 4 yw gwasanaeth 29 munud i 6 o'r gloch Trafnidiaeth Cymru i Amwythig, yn galw am Cwmbrân, Pontypool a Newin, Abergavenny, Hereford ac Amwythig. Platform 4 am y gwasanaeth 29 munud i 6 o'r gloch Trafnidiaeth Cymru i Amwythig. Ni fydd y tren hwn yn galw yn Wrexham Cyffredinol, Caer, y Flint, y Rhyl, Bai Colwyn, Cyffordd Llandudno, Bangor a Gaergybi heddiw.
Codir taliadau cost erbyn hyn ledled holl rwydwaith Great Western Railway. Gwnewch yn siŵr eich bod yn prynu'ch tocyn cyn mynd ar y tren lle mae cyfleusterau ar gael.
Your attention please on platform 2. We are sorry that the 17:54 Transport for Wales service to Maesteg has been cancelled. Transport for Wales apologises for the inconvenience this may cause you.
Eich sylw os gwelwch yn dda ar 2. Mae'n ddrwg gennym fod y gwasanaeth 6 munud i 6 o'r gloch Trafnidiaeth Cymru i Faesteg wedi ei ddileu. Mae Trafnidiaeth Cymru yn ymddiheuro am unrhyw anghyfleustra a achosir i chi.
Your attention please on platform 3. We are sorry that the 1810 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington has been cancelled. This is due to a fault on this train. Great Western Railway apologises for the inconvenience this may cause you.
Eich sylw os gwelwch yn dda ar 3. Mae'n ddrwg gennym fod y gwasanaeth 10 munud wedi 6 o'r gloch Great Western Railway i London Paddington wedi ei ddileu. Mae hyn o ganlyniad i mae Great Western Railway yn ymddiheuro am unrhyw anghyfleustra a achosir i chi.
The next train to arrive at platform 3 will be the 1814 Great Western Railway service to Plymouth, calling at 7 Tunnel Junction, Patchway, Felton Abbey Wood, Bristol Temple Meads, Bedminster, Parson Street, Nailsea and Backwell, Yatton, Whirl, Weston Milton, Weston-super-Mare, Highbridge and Burnham, Bridgewater, Taunton, Tiverton Parkway, Exeter St David's, Newton Abbot, Totnes, Ivybridge and Plymouth. Platform 3 for the 1814 Great Western Railway service to Plymouth. When boarding the train, please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.
Y tren nesaf I gyrraedd platform 3 fydd y gwasanaeth 14 munud wedi 6 o'r gloch Great Western Railway I Plymouth. Yn galw yn cyffordd twnnel Hafren, Hatchway, Filton Abbey Wood, Vista Temple Meads, Bedminster, Parsons Street, Nailsea and Blackwell, Yatton, Whirl, Western Milton, Western Supermare, Highbridge and Burnham, Bridgewater, Taunton, Tiverton Parkway, Caerwisg Dewi Sant, Newton Abbot, Totnes, Ivor Bridge a Plymouth. Platform 3 am y gwasanaeth 14 munud wedi 6 o'r gloch Great Western Railway I Plymouth. Pan yn ymuno â'r tren, byddwch yn ofalus o'r gap rhwng y tren a ymyl y platform. Ysgwelwch yn dda.
The next train to arrive at platform 3 will be the 1826 Great Western Railway service to Salisbury, calling at Seven Tunnel Junction, Filton Abbey Wood, Bristol Temple Meads, Barsfar, Bradford-on-Avon, Trowbridge, Westbury, Dilton Marsh, Warminster and Salisbury. Platform 3 for the 1826 Great Western Railway service to Salisbury. Train stops in zones 2 to 4, cycle spaces in zone 2, wheelchair facilities in zones 3 and 4.
Y tren nesaf I gyrraedd platform 3 fydd y gwasanaeth 26 munud wedi 6 o'r gloch Great Western Railway I Gaerdydd. Yn galw yn cyffordd twnnel Hafren, Filton Abbey Wood, Vista Temple Meads, Hereford, Bradford-on-Avon, Trowbridge, Westbury, Dilton Marsh, Wilmslow a Gaerdydd. Platform 3 am y gwasanaeth 26 munud wedi 6 o'r gloch Great Western Railway I Gaerdydd.
The next train to arrive at platform 3 will be the 1833 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington, calling at Bristol Parkway, Bristol Temple Meads, Barsfar, Reading and London Paddington. Platform 3 for the 1833 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. When boarding the train, please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge. First class accommodation can be found in zones 1, 2, 6 and 7. Standard class in zones 3, 4, 5, 8, 9 and 10. Cycle spaces in zones 4 and 9, wheelchair facilities in zones 1 and 6.
Y tren nesaf I gyrraedd platform 3 fydd y gwasanaeth 27 munud I 7 o'r gloch Great Western Railway I London Paddinton. Yn galw yn Minister Parkway, Vista Temple Meads, Hereford, Reading a London Paddinton. Platform 3 am y gwasanaeth 27 munud I 7 o'r gloch Great Western Railway I London Paddinton. Pan yn ymuno â'r tren, byddwch yn ofalus o'r gap rhwng y tren a ymyl y platform. Ysgwelwch yn dda.
Your attention please on platform 4. This is a platform alteration. The next train to arrive at platform 1 is the 1925 Transport for Wales service to Gloucester, calling at Seven Tunnel Junction, Caldicott, Chepstow, Lydney and Gloucester. Platform 1 for the 1925 service to Gloucester.
Eich sylw os gwelwch yn dda ar platform 4. Dyma newid platform. Y tren nesaf I gyrraedd platform 1 yw gwasanaeth 25 munud wedi 7 o'r gloch Trafnidiaeth Cymru I Gaerloyw. Yn galw yn cyffordd twnnel Hafren, Caldicott, Casgwent, Lydney a Gaerloyw. Platform 1 am y gwasanaeth 25 munud wedi 7 o'r gloch I Gaerloyw.
The next train to arrive at platform 2 will be the 2049 service to Cardiff Central, calling at Cardiff Central only. First class accommodation is available on the train. Platform 2 for the 2049 service to Cardiff Central.
Y tren nesaf I gyrraedd platform 2 fydd y gwasanaeth 11 munud I 9 o'r gloch I Gaerdydd Canolog. Yn galw am Gaerdydd Canolog yn unig. Mae llety dosbarth cyntaf ar gael ar y tren hwn.
platfform 2 am y gwasanaeth 11 munud i 9 o'r gloch i Gaerdydd Canolog.